Dear students, today I am going to discuss one two questions from trigonometric identities. The first question is prove that square root under 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta plus square root under 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta equals to 2 sec theta. So the proof is we start from left hand side. So LHS equals to square root under 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta plus square root under 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is equals to, here both the terms numerator and denominator both are in the square root, so this is separated, and 1 plus sin theta is also written in square root, and 1 minus sin theta is also written in square root separately. In the same way, here also square root under 1 minus sin theta by square root under 1 plus sin theta. Now we are finding the LCM of these two. Both are unlike terms. So when unlike terms are there and no common factor is there, so both are multiplied. So here the LCM is the product of these two terms. So this is divided by square root under 1 minus sin theta. Then we get square root under 1 plus sin theta. And this is multiplied with the numerator square root under 1 plus sin theta. And so it becomes the square of square root under 1 plus sin theta. In the same way, this is divided by square root under 1 plus sin theta, then we get square root under 1 minus sin theta, and this is multiplied with square root under 1 minus sin theta. So both are like terms, so it is written square root under 1 minus sin theta to the whole square. And you know that when something is in the square root under and it's a square we are finding, then the square root is removed. That means root 2 into root 2 equals to 2. In the same way, a square root under 1 plus sin theta into a square root under 1 plus sin theta becomes 1 plus sin theta. Plus, again, a square root under 1 minus sin theta to the whole square. It means a square root under 1 minus sin theta into a square root under 1 minus sin theta. And here, both are same terms and both are in the square root under. That's why square root under will be removed. And we get here 1 minus sin theta. By, and here, both are in the square root. So it is written a square root under 1 minus sin square theta. Because you know that 1 plus b into, a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square, and that's why 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta becomes 1 minus sin square theta. And here's plus sin theta and minus sin theta, both are like terms having different signs, so they are cancelled, and it is 2 by square root under 1 minus, square root under cos square theta, because you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, and therefore cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta, and that's why instead of or in place of 1 minus sin square theta, we have written cos square theta. And again, here you find that cos square theta, a square root under, so it will be equals to cos theta. And you know 1 by cos theta equals to sec theta. That's why we get 2 sec theta, and that is equals to RHS root. Second question is prove that cosec square theta minus cos square beta is equals to cos square theta minus cos square beta by sin square theta into sin square beta. So the proof is from left hand side we start and we write cosec square theta minus cosec square beta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta minus is in the bracket 1 plus cot square beta, because you know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1, and therefore cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So here now the bracket is removed and we write 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 minus cot square beta, because minus plus minus, and now minus 1 and plus 1 cancel, so we are left with cot square theta minus cot square beta. And again you know cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta, so cot square theta is equals to cos square theta by sin square theta, and cot square beta is equals to cos square beta by sin square beta. Now again you will find the LCM. Here both are unlike terms, so its LCM is the product of these two terms. So we are getting the LCM sin square theta into sin square beta, and now this LCM is divided by sin square theta, then we get sin square beta, and it is multiplied with the numerator, so we get cos square theta into sin square beta minus again this LCM is divided by sin square beta, and we get here sin square theta, and it is multiplied with the numerator, that is cos square beta into sin square beta. And now, since sin square beta is equals to 1 minus cos square beta, so this all this sign, that means in the numerator sign is converted into cos, because we have to bring in the numerator only the cos. That's why this, instead of sin square beta, we are writing 1 minus cos square beta. So cos square theta into 1 minus cos square beta minus cos square beta into 1 minus sin cos square theta. Now after removing the bracket, we get cos square theta minus cos square theta into cos square beta minus cos square beta into 1 is cos square beta minus minus plus, and cos square beta into cos square theta by sin square theta into sin square beta. Now again you find this minus cos square theta into cos square beta and plus cos square beta into cos square theta, both are like terms but both have different signs. So these two are cancelled, and then we are left with cos square theta minus cos square beta by sin square theta into sin square beta. And that only we have to prove. So cos square theta minus cos square beta by sin square theta into sin square beta, that is equals to right hand side, and that is quod erat demonstrandum, that was to be proved. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.